festive get ready with me only using Plum products. First of all these products are 100% vegan and cruelty free. I have this gorgeous lip and cheek tint with me. The packaging is to die for. It's just stunning. This is the swatch of the lip and cheek tint. It is in a beautiful color, which is maroon, also in the shade Divine. Now for kajal, I'm gonna first swatch it. This is super creamy and absolutely jet black in color. I use this kajal on my eyelids as well as on my waterline as a kajal and liner both, and it gave me very good payoff and it's just stunning. It's one of my favorite kajals. Next, I'm using the Plum mascara. Look at the packaging first of all, guys. It's so pretty. Next, I'm just gonna apply this mascara on my lashes. It did give me a lot of volume and it also gave me a very good lengthening effect. Next, I'm using the same lip and cheek tint on my cheeks. Did I tell you guys it also smells like a dessert? I just feel like eating it every time I use it. Now next up I have two shades of lipstick here. The first one is Silly Chili, which I'm going to use on my lips right now. The lipstick is absolutely comfortable on the lip and it is not like other lipsticks, matte lipsticks, which is very drying or something. It's very comfortable and it's also non-transfer proof. Now I'm gonna leave a coupon code here for you guys and you can just use the coupon code and get a 10% off. This is the second shade, which is very berry. These are my favorite Plum products. What are yours?